When it comes to cooking up flavorful meals without spending all day in the kitchen, the Elite Gourmet 1.5 Quart Mini Slow Cooker is a game changer. Whether you're cooking for yourself, entertaining a small group, or preparing appetizers for a party, this compact slow cooker does it all with ease. Its sleek stainless steel finish, adjustable settings, and easy-to-clean design make it the perfect addition to any kitchen. Let's dive into why this mini slow cooker might just become your go-to kitchen appliance. Why choose the Elite Gourmet 1.5 Quart Mini Slow Cooker? If you find yourself needing a small appliance that offers versatility, durability, and ease of use, look no further than the Elite Gourmet 1.5 Quart Mini Slow Cooker. Here are some standout features that make this slow cooker a must-have for anyone who enjoys delicious home-cooked meals with minimal effort. Perfect size for small meals. The 1.5 quart capacity is ideal for preparing single servings, small family meals, or appetizers. Whether you're making a small roast, soup, or dip, this slow cooker offers just the right amount of space without taking up much room on your counter. Adjustable temperature settings. Whether you're cooking something that needs to simmer for hours or just need to keep it warm, the low, high, and keep warm settings give you complete control over the cooking process. Set it, forget it, and enjoy tender, flavorful meals when you're ready. Dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. With a removable stoneware pot and clear tempered glass lid, cleanup is a breeze. The stoneware pot is also dishwasher safe, so after your meal is done, just pop it in the dishwasher for hassle-free cleanup. Sleek stainless steel finish. The stainless steel exterior not only gives the cooker a sleek, modern look, but also makes it easy to clean. It's rust-resistant and designed to maintain its pristine appearance with minimal effort. Cool touch handles. Safety is a priority with the cool touch handles and knob, which make it easy to safely transport and handle the cooker, even when it's hot. Affordable and reliable. This 1.5 quart mini slow cooker provides great value with a 1-year limited warranty and US-based customer support to ensure that you can buy with confidence. Key features and benefits. Whether you're cooking a single portion of your favorite stew or preparing a dip for a party, the 1.5 quart capacity is perfect for smaller meals. It's also an excellent choice for those who live alone or want to create individual servings of their favorite dishes. The low, high, and keep warm settings give you full control over your meal preparation. Whether you're cooking a savory roast on low heat or making a dip on high, this slow cooker ensures that your food is cooked just the way you like it. The removable stoneware pot and tempered glass lid are dishwasher safe, making cleanup as simple as putting the components in the dishwasher. No more scraping or scrubbing, just let the machine do the work for you. The cool touch handles and knob make it easy to safely transport the slow cooker even when it's hot. Whether you're moving it from the kitchen to the table or serving your guests, the cool touch handles ensure you won't burn your hands in the process. With its sleek stainless steel finish and clean white accents, this slow cooker easily complements any kitchen decor. Its compact design makes it a perfect fit for both modern and traditional kitchens. The Elite Gourmet 1.5 Quart Mini Slow Cooker is Intertech listed, ensuring that it meets safety standards. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, so you can buy with confidence, knowing that you're covered if anything goes wrong. Who should buy the Elite Gourmet 1.5 Quart Mini Slow Cooker? This mini slow cooker is perfect for singles or couples. If you live alone or with one other person, this 1.5 quart slow cooker is just the right size for your daily meals or snacks. You won't have to cook a huge batch of food, and it's easy to clean up afterward. Small families with small children, or those who don't need a large slow cooker, will find this appliance convenient and efficient for making small roasts, soups, and dips. Entertainers, hosting a party or a fondue night, the Elite Gourmet 1.5 quart mini slow cooker is a great way to keep appetizers, dips, and sauces hot for your guests to enjoy. Busy professionals, whether you're working from home or running errands, the low and high settings give you flexibility to set it and forget it, allowing you to prepare meals without having to constantly watch over them. Don't miss out on this affordable, reliable, and stylish appliance that will make cooking fun and effortless. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.